If you make unnecessary noise inside the Pagani factory, you can actually be asked to leave, and there's a reason for that. The Pagani factory is nothing like a normal supercar production line. There are no robotic arms, no loud conveyor belts, no music playing in the background. Instead, it feels more like a luxury atelier. Every car is built by hand, with the mindset of jewelers and artists rather than factory workers. The silence is so intense that even a stomach growling can earn a warning during engine testing. Workers don't chat with each other, not because Horacio Pagani forbids it, but because they're completely focused on perfection. Every carbon fiber panel, every